1, 2, 3, go.
Make a rainbow. Ooh, look at that green come out. Camden boy, Kyra boo, toy review. Hi girls.
Hi!
Okay, now what are we making?
Slime! Rainbow slime!
So we're back to make rainbow slime this time. We have our ingredients for our slime. We have our mixing bowl. We have our saline solution. We have our baking soda, glue. We have our rainbow colors, measuring spoon, and mixing sticks. The first thing we need to do is to put the glue in the bowl. Right?
Glue. Yes.
Okay, both of you girls pour all the glue in the bowl.
Push it. Nice, good opening.
Next, we're going to add our colors. Our food colors. Food coloring.
Good green. Green.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's enough green.
2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5.
But I need the green.
Purple.
Purple. Drink that. Is it blue purple?
Mm-hmm. Add one more, Kyra.
3.
Okay, that's good. Add more pink. A couple more pink. Okay.
Pink. One pink. One more green.
Looks weird. It looks like pop.
Okay, now we have to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Be careful. Okay, go ahead. Pour it in there.
It got the bottom.
Okay. Now stir it up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Make a rainbow. Ooh, look at that green come out.
Maybe got it.
It look different.
It looks very different.
That's all I can say.
Oh,
It look different. You sure it's not fluffy slime?
it might be fluffy slime.
It's fluffy. It's okay, Kyra.
Here.
She's not like nothing on her hands. Oh, this fluffy slime. You got a recipe for.
I think we used 2 drops of food color.
But that's okay.
Baby, do you
It still look good though.
water?
Oh, like the
You
hippopotamus.
Keep stirring.
Stir. Word. What you call this when you was making the egg like this? Let me go back real quick.
Alright, now we need to add 2 tablespoons.
Water.
It's actually saline solution. Okay. If we need another one, then we'll add another one. Okay, stir.
Okay, here, stir it.
Okay.
Help me stir. I can do it by myself.
Okay.
Stirring.
Just keep stirring. But it's colorful. But all the colors are left at the bottom of that bowl.
Let me get one.
Get one. Now stir.
What happened to all your colors?
So the purple overpowered all the other colors. I think we
It's
put
so dark.
too much
It's so
purple.
dark.
We put too much purple and it overpowered all the colors. So we have purple slime.
Keep going.
maybe it did work. Just a little bit. Can I touch it?
Kyra, you want to wipe your hands? That's worse than the last time. Okay.
I was like a gloop monster.
Okay. Didn't work?
No.
Okay.
Gloop.
Yep, that didn't work. Kyra, Kennedy, do you girls think this was a slime fail or a success?
Kind of, sort of, both. Because I think it's a fail because we started making rainbows. But it's not.
It's like dark purple, right?
Yeah, it's like dark purple. But it's still a pretty purple. And it's still slimy. And that's why I think it's a success. And it's still pretty. And we can still play with it and stuff. And I also think it's a fail because it's not fluffy.
Yeah, a fluffy.
Or fluffy
Kind of
slime
fluff.
just went bye.
Kyra, you having fun, huh? Yeah.
But at the same time, it's a success because it was fun and it's still slime.
Okay. So we didn't really do a good job with our
Original.
3-ingredient slime, which was glue, baking soda, and saline solution. Next time, I think we'll go ahead and try a different slime recipe.
Bye.
Bye.
So we'll try slime again.
We'll try slime again.
Maybe one more time.
Bye. Give a boo. Play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.